Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a service control policy in AWS Organizations. Let's start by navigating to AWS Organizations, then click on Policies and enable Service Control Policies. Hit the Create Policy button and give it a name. In the policy statement, I'm going to select Lambda create function for action and star for resource. I'm also going to add a condition for AWS requested region where string equals to US East 1. To summarize, this policy is saying you're not allowed to create a Lambda function in US East 1 region. Hit the create policy button, then navigate to an existing organization unit. Go to the Policies tab, then click on Attach. Select the Disable Create Lambda policy, then hit the Attach button. Now let's switch to the Sandbox account and navigate to the Lambda service. As you can see, we are in the US East 1 region. Watch what happens when I try to create a new Lambda function. I get the not authorized to perform create function error. Let's switch back to the main account and navigate to the disable create Lambda policy. Click on edit policy and change string equals to string not equals. Now our policy is saying that we are only allowed to create Lambda functions in the US East 1 region. If I switch back to the Sandbox account and try to create a new Lambda function in the US East 1 region, this time it should go through. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.